Hello and welcome to day 115 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Have you ever struggled to format dates while you're working? Maybe you received a date in one format and you wanted it in another format, and you might be wondering, like, how do I do this? And this happens while we are automating as well. While manually adjusting these dates could be frustrating, it's very easy to manage date formatting using Pabbly Connect or other platform. Today, we will explore how to convert date formats, add or subtract days, hours dynamically. We will also see how to use this in next steps. By the end of this video, you will be able to automate all date related tasks like a pro. Let's dive in. Similar to text formatting, we also have date formatting. So let's look at date formatting. So I'll click on plus and search for date. We have date time formatter, again a free task, and we have format date with time zone, format date only, format time zone only, and subtract time, current date, modify current date, date duration calculator, right? So these are the options that we have. So if we go with this particular one, click on connect, it will ask you what is the date, which is the input, right? So let's say, for example, this one. Okay. Now this is the date that we've got, which was being run when we scheduled this, right? Now from format, you can see what is the format used here. Okay. And select that particular format over here. Okay. And you can also tell what is the format that you need the output to be in. And if you feel that the format is not matching any of this, then you can also say map, and you can map it. If you don't understand what needs to be given here, okay, just use ChatGPT to understand what is the formatting. So I'll take this screenshot. I'll go to ChatGPT. What format is in this 8. So I'll copy this one from here, come back and add it over here, right? I've given two format as this one, which is only date, and from time zone, okay, we can see that it's UTC. So I'll select that one, right? And to time zone, whatever we need. Let's say we will have Asia, Kolkata, and save and send test request. You can see that it has come 2025-03-60, right? So this is how you can format the date based on how you want it to be formatted. The next one is format date only. Again, you can get the date here, give the date, give the from format to format, and the date will come out, right? You can use format time zone only. And subtract time is a very interesting thing. So you can add the date. So I'll use the same thing over here. We can also use the local dates that we get here, and expression. So now you see here, it says enter the amount of time you would like to add or subtract. Okay, we can also use plus 8 hours, 1 minute, 1 month, and so on and so forth. So I'll do it for plus 2 days. Okay, and to format, I'll probably go with the date. Okay, from format, I've already got it for the previous step. So I'll use that one from here, right? So as you can see, this happened on 16th of March. So I'm adding 2 days to it. Let's see what happens as the output. So we get March 18th, right? So this is how you can add or subtract time to any date and time. Current date, click on connect. It'll ask you for the format. I will go with let's say this one. I'll click on save and send test request. You actually know what time I'm shooting this video. So it is 16th of March. Okay, it says 13:36, which is 1:36 p.m. Okay, but this is giving in UTC format. Okay, and we can also modify current date or we can also calculate the duration. So calculate the duration, it will ask you for date 1 and date 2, and it will give you what is the duration between these two dates. So that's all we have for date formatting in Pabbly Connect. We have made handling dates in automation super easy. No more manual adjustments, no more errors, just perfectly adjusted dates every time. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one automation you have always wanted to do with dates? Maybe scheduling emails, setting reminders, or tracking project deadlines. Drop a comment below. Tomorrow, we will be stepping into logs. How do we understand if a particular automation has been run or not? We will see logs in all the 3 platforms. If you're enjoying this challenge, do not do it alone. Invite your friends, families, or colleagues to join this challenge and fastly growing no-code community. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.